Trainers Alex Mulu, first of all, very welcome, Coach. Und ja, natürlich begrüßen wir auch den DLB-Präsidenten Ingo Weiß, der zu meiner Rechten sitzt, DLB-Vizepräsident Armin Andres und Sportdirektor Peter Radegast. Role as head coach of the German national team.
Okay. First one, hello everybody. Okay, coming from the EuroLeague, and it's an honor for me to be one of the best the world champion. It's an honor for me to be here. I'm ready to continue with the wonderful job that the national team is doing in the last years, and continue with the job that Gordon Herbert did in this couple of years. And I told you I'm ready to take this charge. It's my job to find all the games. It's my passion, the basketball, and it's my job. And I watch all the games in Olympic Games. I watch the preparation. I watch the friendly games. Even I watch the jump program with under 18 that they win the gold medal. And it's my job, it's my passion, and I watch a lot of games. Now in the basket right now, the basketball depends on the players. No? Coaches help to the players to shine in the court. No? If the guys that know me know that I like a lot of the defense, and I want to transition in offense, which is more or less our details in basketball. But of course, we have the best players in the world right now. Dennis, Frank, Mo, Warner, the brothers, Boyman, the Ops. We have one of the best players, and we are here to help to shine and continue with the same goals that we find until now.